it's your local Slytherin friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am a Slytherin. Today, as you can guess by the title, we will be making Harry Potter Butterbeer, and as you can already tell from my costume, Butterbeer is a staple in the Harry Potter series. The only scene that I can remember from the whole Harry Potter series and them having Butterbeer is, I think, like in the 7th movie? Wait, no, there's 8 movies. There's 7 books, 8 movies, and I think it was like in the 3 Broomsticks and Prisoner of Azkaban, and they were having Butterbeer there. Here's the clip.
Does anyone fancy a Butterbeer? What are you playing at?
Now you must be wondering why I'm all fancied up and I went all out in the robes with the wand and even the book set right here. Well, it's because it's our 3rd year anniversary of doing YouTube. Long before Homemade by Franz, I already started doing YouTube on this channel. It was called Café Boulangerie Le Chef Franz.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Franz Gabrielle. I'm your host and chef of Café Boulangerie Le Chef Franz.
I already had this channel before that and I used to upload just random videos like just me doing taste tests and stuff. And it was called Rockstar Girl 03.
So, it's for my mommy. So everyone, watch my videos. So bye-bye everyone and stay tuned for our shows. Bye-bye.
And then we decided to start making real YouTube videos, you know, where we film it while I was cooking. Before, we just used to use my mom's phone to film it. And our very first video on that YouTube channel was cookies. And I am so thankful to everyone who has supported me since then. Even if you're a new supporter, I am so thankful to you and I hope you continue to support me throughout the next years. This is just the beginning of the journey and I am so excited to take this ride with you. You also must be wondering why I chose Harry Potter as kind of like my concept for our anniversary. And we are making like something Harry Potter themed treat rather than a kind of like cake for 3 years. Well, it's because I love the movie and book series so much. 2 things that I love, Harry Potter and doing YouTube into one video. The ingredients we will need are cream soda, butterscotch sauce, ice cream, ice, and whipping cream. Now let's make our Harry Potter Butterbeer. So the first and pretty much the only step to making our Butterbeer is to add all the ingredients into a blender and then mix that up. So I'm going to first add in our ice. You don't have to add it in a specific order, but I'm just doing it in this order. I'm adding in ice cream, butterscotch sauce. That's very nice and thick butterscotch. You can totally use store-bought. I used butterscotch sauce also last time on my last video for making brookies. You guys can check that up in the I button or in the description or just in my YouTube channel. I already pre-made this butterscotch, but I will probably make a video in the near future of me making butterscotch or caramel. Well, actually, I already made a caramel video, which you can check somewhere in my channel. It was a few years ago. Okay, so the final thing I am going to add in is our cream soda. You can totally like mix around the ingredients to your liking. I prefer more ice to liquid. The Butterbeer we're making today doesn't actually contain beer, don't worry. But in the Harry Potter books, if you may have too many, you might get a little, you know. But for this one that we're making today, you can just drink as many as you want and don't worry about being drunk, you know. Okay, I'm going to blend this up now. Now I'm just going to use my spoon to check out if there are any more ice cubes, and if there are, I'm just gonna blend it again. Yeah, there are definitely more ice cubes, so I'm just gonna blend that up. Our Butterbeer is finally finished. This was such a fast and easy recipe to make, but the thing is the ingredients might be hard to find, like butterscotch sauce and cream soda. That's why I made instead homemade butterscotch sauce and the cream soda we just bought online. It was, I think, around like 300 to 400 pesos for 6 pieces, which was actually a pretty good deal considering all the other cream sodas that they were selling on online shopping and stuff were pretty expensive. So this was a pretty good deal. So now I am going to take a nice cute little mug. This will make around 3 servings or so. It depends on what size cup you make it in, but for me it will be around 2 to 3 servings. Now I'm just going to pour it in. wow, oh wow, wow, oh wow. Okay. Now, we are going to set that aside, and then we are going to whip up some whipped cream just so that we can add that to the top, just so that it looks a little bit more pretty. Now we are going to whip up some cream and whip that up so that we can top off our butterbeer with it. I'm not whipping this too much because I don't want it to be like stiff peaks. I just want it to be like a little bit fluffier, because if you just use the whipping cream by itself, it's a little bit dense and I don't want it to be dense. And now it's beautiful and fluffy, and I am going to top it over our butterbeer. Wow. I've only seen this in the movies. Wow, okay. That's so beautiful. Look at it, guys. It's my favorite time of the video, tasters. Taste test time. That is so good. One slurp satisfies it all. Well, you will want more, but like, it's so good. It's so satisfying. And if you're maybe like craving anything caramelly or butterscotch, this is so good. One of my favorite chefs, Gemma Stafford, said butterscotch is like the naughty brother of caramel. Naughty cousin, naughty brother. Yeah. Naughty something of caramel. The butterscotch flavor mixed with the vanilla ice cream plus the vanilla E and spritzy cream soda just works so well together, and the ice in there just gives it a nice little cold refreshment. Easy to make, only has a few ingredients, and it's so good. I highly encourage kids, adults, any person of any age to pick up a book set, because the books are way more better than the movies. The movies kind of just leave out tiny details that just make the book so much better. And when you're reading the book, it kind of just immerses you into this whole nother universe where it's like you forget everything like around you right now. I suggest kids to read it. I suggest adults to read it. Any person of any age can read this. This is a wonderful book, and it's fit for any age. And don't worry, there's no cussing in it. You will love Harry Potter. I want to know if you have read or watched the movie series. I want to know which is your favorite book or movie in the series. Mine is definitely Goblet of Fire and Order of the Phoenix. The plots were just amazing. The plots were just amazing in these two books, and I loved it. If you haven't watched Harry Potter, I encourage you to watch it. Or if you haven't read the books, you should also read the books. So comment down below which one is your favorite. You can just drink your butterbeer, grab a book from the series, read that, or you can also watch the movies with a little side bowl of popcorn or any other snacks you would like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye! Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you once again for 3 wonderful years on YouTube. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this to your friends, and comment down below what you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page at homemadebyfranz, and don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching. Luscious taste, homemade by Franz. Love you all. Mahal ko kayo. Je t'aime. Saranghe. Te amo. Salamat po. Now that is heavy. Cheers!